Hey everybody, I thought I'd do a quick video on mud guards. This one seems pretty quick, pretty easy when it comes to the install. Really the prep work is what you have to worry about. So, got my two mud guards for the rear. That's what I'm doing this time, is a rear. I think it's definitely a must to get. I didn't think I would need mud guards, but then after bigger tires and everything else with it, you find that all you're doing is throwing stuff everywhere. So I think that's a good idea to get mud guards. So these ones are Husky liners. They seemed great price, and really there's no drilling, which is the best thing. So it's really just prepping the wheel area, obviously, and making sure it's clean. They actually does come with some kind of barrier protective film, so you put that on after you clean it to protect the area. It's got some adhesives, and then replace one of your, when you pull up the pegs, your little tabs here, as you can see, a little tab. You put in metal ones here with a clip like this to actually adhese it, so it's definitely a better piece. So you've got your sticky, you've got your new clip, and then you actually have another one for the top as well, and that's it. So I'm going to pause here, prep it, and then we'll resume when I'm showing you when we're installing itself. Alright, I thought I'd just record this quick. This is the one peg you need to pull out, the pin here. So just get one of your little pin removers, pop that out, and that's the one we're going to use for the screw. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but I've actually taken the pin out and then put a little backer, this little backer here in there, and I'm just aligning it now. I didn't seem to want to go over the plastic, so I have to use the aluminum back, but I think it'll be okay. Alright, it's raining, so I hope you can hear me, but yeah, I put in this metal clip, added the screw. By the way, this is a pain in the butt. Even a stubby doesn't fit here. I have adhesed it here, and you can see the protective film around it, and then all it does is need this little black clip. So we'll figure it out on the other side as well. Okay, there's the little metal pin I'm talking about. I'm on the other side now. I would say the install a little bit sucks when it comes to the last clip, and I'll show you that when I'm done. But you just have that little thing, and then probably recommended to take your tire off if you really want the screw tight there, because a stubby doesn't work, or you know, something small to get in there to turn the screw. Anyways, I'll show you in a sec. Here's what I mean when it comes to this little clip at the end. So the top goes on up here and you clip it sideways, but I'm going to try to show you. There's little groove, I get it, the teeth to dig into the plastic to hold it, I get it. But trying to get it on this thing, a little bit difficult. You just got to play with it, make it happen. There you have it. This little clip here is a pain in the butt. I gotta be honest, that's probably the most pain, other than trying to screw this in with the tire on. Those are the two little things. Other than that, they're on. Woohoo! There you have it. A quick little video, hopefully, to help you. Like always, keep following, keep liking, keep asking questions, and till next time.